Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I just have a little update in regards to a few articles that came out recently stating that WhatsApp won't support certain iOS anymore. So if that is something you are interested in or you would want to know more about, stick around until the end of the video. So the first thing I'm actually going to do is to launch Chrome and pull up the articles for you. So you could go ahead and do this yourself. You could search for iPhones won't support WhatsApp, WhatsApp won't support iPhones. It doesn't really matter, as long as there are certain keywords, you will find the articles. So it pretty much says those who have an iPhone 5S, iPhone 6 or iPhone 6S running the version 10 or 11, WhatsApp won't support those versions anymore. So unless you have iOS 12 and above in your device, you won't be able to use WhatsApp anymore. Well, not right now, but coming October 24, 2022, you won't be able to use WhatsApp anymore. So this is pretty much the article. You could go ahead and spend the time to read it to get more information. And there are also other articles promoting this or stating this as well, and this is just an article with a list of iOS and Android devices that WhatsApp won't support coming October 24, 2022. So for Androids with versions lower than 4.1, they won't be able to use WhatsApp, and for iOS lower than version 12, they won't be able to use WhatsApp coming October 24, 2022. So that is pretty much the update that I have for you guys. And as I said earlier, if you want to spend the time to read the articles, you could go ahead to get more information and understanding on why this is happening. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.